7 years old, and today I'm going to be singing at the Invisible Dragon by Donna Wilderness. 应该先讲过再唱。你会想要？Have a dragon and his name is Ed. He sleeps in the space at the foot of my bed. He follows along wherever I go, but he keeps himself invisible so no one will know. He's at the invisible dragon. He's at the invisible dragon. He's at the invisible dragon. Oh, where did the dragon go? Playing in the wet with a bat and a ball. A lamp gets smashed, but it's not my fault at all. You knocked it down, trying to print his head, but no one seems to listen. When I came to work, it was at the invisible dragon. It was at the invisible dragon. It was at the invisible dragon. Oh, where did the dragon go? So you notice in your house that things begin to break, and you take in all the blames that you can take. You might try looking at the foot of your bed. Don't be surprised if there you find invisible head. He's at the invisible dragon. He's at the invisible dragon. He's at the invisible dragon. Oh, where did the dragon go?
He's singing Once Upon a December from the movie Anastasia.
Someone sings once upon a December. Someone holds me safe and warm. Voices prance through a silver storm. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Far away, long ago, glowing dim as an ember. Things my heart used to know, things it yearns to remember. And a song someone sings once upon a
Julia, I'm 10 years old and I am singing God Help the Outcast from The Hunchback of Notre Dame and music by Alan Menken. I don't know if you can hear me or if you're even there. I don't know if you will listen to a gypsy's face and wonder, were you once an outcast too? God help the outcast, hungry from birth. Show them the mercy they don't find on earth. The lost and forgotten, we look to you still. God help the outcast, or nobody will. Nobody will. I don't know if there's a reason why some are blessed, some not. Why the few you seem to favor, they fear us, flee us, try to not see us. God help the outcast, the tattered, the torn, seeking an answer to why they were born. Winds of misfortune have blown them above. You made the outcast, don't cast them out. The poor and unlucky, the weak and the odd. I thought we all were the children of God. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Esther. I am 9 years old. Today I'll be singing No One Is Alone from Into the Woods. No one here to guide you. Now you're on your own. Only me beside you. Still you're not alone. No one is alone. Truly, no one is alone. Sometimes people leave you halfway through the wood. Others may deceive you. You decide what's good. You decide alone. But no one is alone. People make mistakes. Fathers, mothers, people make mistakes. Holding to their own, thinking they're alone. Honor their mistakes, everybody makes one another's terrible mistakes. Witches can be right, giants can be good. You decide what's right, you decide what's good. Just remember, someone My name's Irene, and I'm going to be singing I Could Have Danced All Night from My Fair Lady. I couldn't go to bed, my head's too light to try to set it down. Sleep, sleep, I couldn't sleep tonight, not for all the jewels in the crown. I could have danced all night, I could have danced all night, and still have begged for more. I could have spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. I never know what's made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart took flight. I only know when he began to dance with me. I could have danced, danced, danced all night. I could have danced all night. I could have danced all night and still have begged for more. I could have spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. I never know what made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart took flight. I only know
let's join our handsome boy together for the very special songs. Let's come together. You can see all the kids here on the stage. No, let's step a little in the center. Okay.
They're coming in like they're going to join the
Come here, stand in the center.